In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize charts in Tableau, a quick tip that will take just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Tableau or a seasoned user, knowing how to efficiently resize charts can significantly improve the readability and visual impact of your data presentations. Let's dive right in and simplify this task. First, you'll need to open the Tableau application on your computer. Take a moment to let the application initialize and ensure it's functioning correctly. Once you have Tableau open and ready to go, the next step is to access your worksheet. You should have data that you're ready to visualize. If you're starting from scratch, you may want to take some time to familiarize yourself with your dataset first. Once you're inside the worksheet that you'll be working on, the initial step in creating your visual is to do the groundwork by defining which data elements you'll be visualizing. Begin by creating a visual. A basic bar chart or line graph works well for practice. Start with something simple to make your resizing exercise clear and straightforward. With your visual in place, now drag the quantity data field into the column section. This action will help structure your data horizontally, aligning the quantities across the axis you've set up. Next, you'll choose another dimension for the rows to give your chart more depth. For this exercise, drag the region field into the rows section. This combination allows each region to be represented on your chart, providing a clear visual comparison of quantity across regions. Now that your basic visualization is ready, we can move on to the resizing part. To quickly resize your chart for optimal readability or design preferences, you'll start by clicking on the bottom axis of your chart. This interaction allows you to directly access the sizing handles positioned at the edges of your chart. Once you've selected the axis, look for the arrow that appears at the edge. This arrow is your resizing tool. Click and hold that arrow, then simply drag it to adjust the size of your chart. This motion can either scale the chart up or down depending on your needs. By resizing, you can ensure that all the elements fit within the viewable area or adjust to emphasize certain data points better. Finally, remember, you can resize to match any specific design or spatial requirements that suit your needs. A well-sized chart improves data comprehension and makes your insights more impactful. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you've learned how to resize charts in Tableau effectively. Thank you for watching, and make sure to tune in next time for more Tableau tips.